it is started with wait. Okay, now it is started recording. Okay, so about a basic hardware and networking and troubleshooting related to the hardware and networking, basic troubleshooting things about the service desk. Okay, about ITIL and servers and services means what are the different types of servers are there. In that one about an Active Directory, DHCP, DNS also we are going to discuss. And also important is what is an Outlook and what is the purpose of Outlook and stuff and what is a VPN. Okay, what is the purpose of VPN? What is the cloud? What are the different cloud basics things like different cloud models and services kind of stuff. Office 365 is there. And Windows administration related also a few are the points like how to add a printer kind of stuff. Okay, few are application management related, service management, registry management related also there. Okay, if possible, we are going to discuss about virtualization and the different types of storage technologies. Okay, of course, that will be actually includes into your basic hardware, some of storage related. So if possible, so we'll see other storage types and all. Okay. So as you know already, so as you can know already, but just for a reminder, guys, first is a version test. So you have to complete the version test. It is computer based communication testing. Okay, both English communication related, reading, writing, and listening skills test it is. I of course you got a guided from your soft skills trainer. So so do hard work to pass the version test first. Once you score in a version test pass, then it is a point is changed from previous to here. Now it is voice and accent. Voice and accent test is there. It is directly HCL person is going to interact with you, ask some questions, just like about yourself, about your birthdays, about your village, anything. So to test your communication skills. Then it is a technical and a HR interview will be there. This is the process. Okay. So do not ignore like there is a time for a technical interview. So we are going to prepare on that day. Last day only we will prepare. Don't do like that, guys. Whatever we discuss, what are the things are there in a technically, study daily. Take at least half an hour time, read the notes or such in a what's our message, what are the information related to it. Okay. So prepare daily. So just at least spend half an hour to 1 hour for technical. Entire remaining time you can spend for your version test and voice and accent English communication. So you can spend, you want to spend 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, it's your time. But for technically study daily. You know, okay. So why? Because it is, you cannot prepare a day before an interview because it's just different modules. It's not a one single subject. If it is one single subject, maybe you take a last tomorrow is an interview. Today I will start. You can start and read for 4 hours, 5 hours continuously. You can try, but it is not like that now. So it is, so some of the topics are hardware related. Some are there is hardware related, network and other things like Windows related, servers related, storage, cloud, and Office 365. The small things are there. So don't wait for the end day. Or I will plan for this Saturday and Sunday. I will complete it. So don't do like that. Okay. So spend at least half an hour time. At least start at morning. So morning 9 o'clock. So I have get ready 9:15. Okay. Start to open the book at least before you are joining to the class. Refer all the previous class every day. Refer the previous sessions. Read the basic sentences. The what is what. Just that's enough. Okay. So if at least you refer at that time, you spend 9:15 to 10:40, 9:45, 10. So it will give more time. So nine, of more than half an hour time. So you refer what is the happen in the previous classes. So that will give a continuous reminder of the technical subject. And here it is, it's not required a pre-knowledge, right? So we are teaching, so compulsory if you read it. Some are do not have any knowledge about anything here. Some are having a knowledge. Some are much smart people, some are may not be there. But in my point of view, all are same only. Okay. So compulsory read it. Okay. So try to practice answering kind of stuff. So after 2 3 days, I will try to share even sir also going to share some questions. Okay. So otherwise I will share some of previous batch questions also. Okay. So you will understand how the questions patterns will be there. Okay, so that is an important point, not only a technical interview point. So when you join into the HCL and you have to work for understanding how it is look like, how to do it, what is the process. So that is also need a technical knowledge, guys. It's not just a job and they will teach everything. That is nonsense. They will teach about a project, about a client details. They will tell we don't know because you HCL what project they will give you, what client project you are doing, we don't know at present, right? Okay, so at least we don't know. So but whatever it is, the technically you must be good and you must know how it is look like, how it is kind of stuff. Technic client details they will tell, but technically they won't teach you anything again. Okay, so better to learn at least to basic understanding. If you have a basic understanding, so there you can able to easily fetch in at a time of while you are joining, after joining. Okay, not while you are after joining. Okay, so that is my point. Okay, so spend at least half an hour time every day. Next one is the class will be recorded as possible as I will try to record and I will share the recordings also. But point is, it's not just the recording, guys. Compulsory attend every day class. It's not only about an attendance. It's about if you are attend, you can able to ask me a lot of questions. You can clarify more doubts in the live sessions. Okay, that's why we are conducting live. Otherwise, we can send all recordings to you. So one time, so after 1 week, we can go through the test, right? It's not about knowledge sharing. It is all about the live sessions we are conducting for better interaction with you. If you have any doubts, if you don't understand, also you can ask me again. Sometimes we are in online, people will divert from some sound or a disconnection, internet interruptions will be happens. Okay, there are a lot of things will happen in online for me also. So if you don't get certain point, you can immediately ask me, sir, I didn't unable to catch that particular point. Please tell me again. I can explain it again. So for me, no problem to explain it once or twice or thrice. No problem. Okay. So that's the point. So this is first point about your subject and your guys got it?
Got it.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
can you please tell the timings of the classes again, of both the classes, technical and communication?
Communication, madam will decide and tell. So as for now, it is a morning 10 o'clock. Okay. Today we started 10:30 for because of first day. Okay. So morning 10 o'clock, same link. I don't change the link. So every day it will be the same link as I shared morning, right? This is the same link. If in case you miss the link and I can share it again, no problem.
From 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
1 p.m. So almost sometimes it will go for beyond 1 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so here it is. This thing has to be discussed after end of the sessions, but point is be prepared mentally. So and be prepare your own answer for the different types of questions we'll ask in a interviews. Okay, Either it can be in a voice and accent interview or it can be in a technical interview also. They will ask these type of questions. Okay, I put it some of the questions here. Okay, so it's not a technical question. These are all not technical questions, but they will ask in the technical or voice and accent interviews also. Okay, so you prepare yourself some answer for it. Okay, there is no answers for it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So generally, any interview, they will ask about a tell me about yourself. So you are already in the training in a soft skills. So soft skills trainer definitely tell how to tell me about yourself kind of stuff. You know it already. So I'm not need to explain anything. But other than that one also in interviews, they will ask so many other personal based questions. These are all questions for your personal related only. It's not like it's not a textbook questions. Okay, it's all about your personal related, about your last celebration of your birthday, about your college, about your friends, your project, your engineering final year project is there, no? So that project related questions will be there about your village, hobbies, favorite places. Okay. In a hobbies also, if you tell I'm reading books. So what type of books? What kind of books you read? What is the preferable author you do it? Okay. So like that, movies or friends kind of stuff. So never put your hobbies or something like chatting with people. Okay, watching YouTube videos. Okay. So don't put that kind of listening music is a hobby. Okay. Watching TV is not a hobby. Okay, it's not a good hobby. It's a bad habit. Okay, so put it in a proper and give a positive ways of answer. Whatever you are going to tell in at a time of interview. So based on that, there will be a questions again. Okay, so for example, my favorite hobby is to buy books. So then there is a question, what kind of books you usually buy? So I will buy Sidney Sheldon novels or maybe Dan Brown novels. Like so certain type of collection of books I like it. Okay, so what kind of books you read it or technical books? What kind of technical books? I like to buy technical books also. Now it is very costly. Okay, so what kind of technical books? Okay, what subject your favorite subject is there? Okay, what is your favorite teacher? So why it is? Okay, so there is a series of questions on your personal kind of stuff. So prepare your own answers for it. Your weaknesses, strength. Okay, even weakness or strength both should be in a positive way only. Okay, it should not be your health or it should not be your family kind of stuff. Okay, so it should be on your own strength is like reading or preparation or maybe your strength is like one time you read it you will grab like that. So put some strengths and weakness kind of stuff. Goals, short-term goals, long-term goals. Okay, so where do you want to see yourself in 5 years kind of stuff, 10 years kind of stuff. Okay, these are all, there is no specific answer for it. So just simply tell. But there is a twist here. So if you tell what is your long-term goal or short-term goal, like where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? You said some answer. I want to become a cloud expert in that one. I want to become a project manager. Then how you will become a project manager in 5 years? So then there you should tell some planning related kind of stuff. Okay. So always one question lead to another question. So when you are giving a try to prepare one answer, so think another question from your answer. Okay. So there is another important question is there. These two are. Some of you are from CSCIT background, some are not from the CSCIT background. Okay. If you are not from the CSCIT background, means you are from mechanical, civil, electrical background, why you choose NIT? Why you choose IT? So this is IT related. So why you choose NIT? Always tell a positive point. So I'm like to go with an IT organization. So why? Because IT is a fast growing industry. easy to promote. I like the computers kind of stuff, learning technologies, different type of technologies we can able to learn and we can get into the organizations. Okay, one way or other way we can survive in the IT industry. Anything. But don't say negative points about your branches. I'm from the mechanical, no jobs for mechanical. Don't say that kind of answers. Okay. IT or CSC background. So IT and CSC background always think about going with this what is a this development related kind of stuff, software development related. So they will ask questions. IT and CSC, why you choose this service desk analyst? Okay. So that is a or so you have to prepare some answer why you want to go for a service desk. So you can say different answer like I anything is into the IT field is better. Okay, because once you are enter into the IT, so automatically based on your learning and your practice, your experiences, okay, so we can easily grow in the IT industry, and that too you're from CSC IT background, it is more good opportunity to go to into the IT field, okay, and it is a very good opportunity to get inside as a service desk. We can get to know what are the different issues from different technologies related, networking related, server related, cloud related, even for a software related, database related. So we will get a lot of types of different issues. We can analyze the issues. So it will make me better understanding. I'm a good in problem solving skills rather than a development skills. Okay. So like that. So tell all the positive related answers on it. Okay. So that is two things. And you guys understand? So IT people and non-IT people, the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what are the technologies you learn before you join this technical session? So you may learn in different type of technologies. What technologies you are learn? What technologies you want to learn? Okay. What technologies you learn in the during the training? In the training. So in the what things you have learned? What is the level you are learn kind of stuff? Like in future, what do you want to learn? What do you want to become expert in a particular technologies? So you touch all the different technologies. So what technology you want to become expert in it? For that one, what do you want to do? So like different type of questions will be there. Why should I select you? If you are not selected for this profile, what do you do? Okay. So why should I select you? Yeah, yeah, I'm good at communication, soft skills, technically strong. I'm willing to learn things quick and faster. I can able to learn any technologies. Why I'm working here? Okay. So as a technical trainer, so the any technical person has a knowledge of one or two domains only. But my personally, okay, I have a knowledge on some multiple domain technologies, including networking side, server side, Linux side, and as well as a cloud, and as well as this DevOps kind of stuff. Python also I know, okay, not software part. So I didn't involve in much in the software related. Okay, but I can learn these things and I can improve myself to get a job. So that's a different kind of stuff. Okay, if you are not selected for this profile, what to do? Thing is, guys, don't say any reckless answer and don't say any disappointed answers also. Answer is always is like a yeah. If you are not selected for now, so what will happen? You will keep doing it, keep learning, keep searching for the job. When you will get it, then you will get it. This is always a very pretty straight point. Don't say my parents are a very poor family, so I should get this job, otherwise I cannot survive. Don't say that kind of answers also. Okay, and don't say like if you don't give job, other one person will give a job. You if you don't give me opportunity, that is your loss. Don't say that kind of answers also. Okay, give an answer like it's not. Okay, sir, that is, I will keep learning. Don't say it's not a big deal also. Don't say like that. It's okay. It's like, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will keep learning. I will keep improve my technical skills and keep searching job. That's the only thing. So what we can able to do it. Okay. So don't arrogantly don't say give an answer and get that kind of stuff. Okay. Rate yourself on your technical skills. Okay, so that is little difficult because of depends upon that is completely depends upon you what technical knowledge you have and how much you know it. If you have to test yourself. Okay, so you are average. For example, out of 10, you are 5 candidate. Tell them it is I have a 6, 7 kind of stuff. Don't say don't lower yourself and don't over. Also, it's not a good thing. Like I'm a 10 out of 10. That is also good, but okay. But don't say like I'm everything all right, anything is comfortable. Don't say that kind of answers. Okay. So tell them like a 8, 9, 10. That's a good rating. Always it is must be more than average, not less than average. Okay, near to the higher. That is important. Even though you are not much very good at technical skills. So that is the point. Okay. So this is another common question in HCL. So that is if you win 1 lakh, 1 million, 1 million in our currency, it is 10 lakhs. $1 million means it is very higher. It is around 8 crores. I think 8 crores, more than 8 crores. It is 80 crores or something. It will be there. 1 million. Okay. So that is a question like if you win 1 million, it means 1 million rupees or $1 million. Whatever it is, guys. So thing is, it's not about all money. It is about a passion. I'm passionate to work this kind of stuff. Even the crorepati's are there. I have seen people who are very crorepati's. It's a father, mother, highly settled, big jobs. Those people work also in the HCL. Now it is a that time is very less cost also. Okay, so I have seen the people working for a very less salary. So it's like a passion about it. So they want to work. What is their knowledge? So money is just another point, but what is their knowledge? What is they want to improve? What is they want to live like that? So that is the first point. So tell the point like yeah, I will work in HCL. So because I'm passionate about to work in this kind of environment kind of stuff. So all are blah 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 only. So there is no true, no no false kind of stuff. Okay. No right or wrong answers. Only thing is it's about a positive presentation only. What do you know about the 70s? Okay, compulsory guys, search about the 70s. So go to the 70s website, go through once what is the 70s organization it is, what kind of services 70s organization is providing. Okay, HCL also, go to the HCL website. What are the HCL services are there are providing? What is the work culture in HCL kind of stuff also. Okay. um, what application you know or worked. So previously, if you have any application related, for example, Katia or maybe even though if it is a basic any applications, work on like Eclipse, you work database, you work. So what are the application you know it? Okay, so just put a 2 3 applications and what do you know application, how long you work on that applications. Also, how do you hire how do you hiring HCL is the right place for you? Okay, so why you think HCL is the right place for you? HCL is a top MMC, one of the top MNCs. Okay, and the work culture is MNCs, the HCL is good. The bigger organizations, lot of projects. Okay, so when I worked in HCL, so that is so it's a good for my career kind of stuff. All are I said no. Says there is another question. What about a topic which is not present in my resume? In your resume, generally you put all the topics. Find out some unique thing which is not exactly in your resume. Maybe you miss strengths or maybe about your recent certification kind of stuff, or maybe certain technical knowledge you have learned recently, but that is you are not present in your resume, or maybe some personal achievement you have done but not mentioned in your resume. Something such at any unique thing, and you can tell that one also. So there is another two important questions, guys. What do you see as a major challenge in communicating with the US clients? What is the challenge? So you cannot say you don't have a challenge because you have a good communication skills. So obviously your good communication skills means you'll speak to the any clients in English very easy. US means there is English people only. Okay, English communication is important. The thing is the way of language. Our grammatical way of presentation is a different thing. Yes, basically people are way of grammatical presentation is different. The wording little different. The speed of language speaking is a little bit different from the US country to our country. Okay. So find out. So search in a Google or find out different types of answers. Okay, not one single answer, guys. All these personal questions, search, you can search in a Google and find out different answers. Which answer is you are suitable to tell and which answer is you are able to tell easily. So select that answer. That is answer is correct answer always. Okay. The very last and important question for this session is that is how to handle a irritated clients, irritated customer, angry customers. Okay, irritated, angry. Okay, irritated clients, angry clients, frustrated. Okay, angry, frustrated kind of clients will be there. Okay, some are friendly customers also there. This is another question. Okay, how to handle irritated clients, angry customers, angry, frustrated customers. So why there are client or a customer is getting irritated while you, you know, so why they are irritating? Because of, so you think like you are a customer and from the service provider, so you are getting more irritation. You are irritating, they just you call them and scold them kind of stuff. So when you do generally, the service is not good and you complain, but still no response from the service providers. You'll get an angry, right? So even issue is it is resolved now, and after some time again we are getting that same issue again and again. So generally we'll get frustrated. Over billing. The billing is generally is normal billing. So now it is become over billed. So it should be a 1,000 rupees. Now it is 5,000 rupees. Okay. So definitely it is. Verma is trying to speak, but voice is
My,
unable to hear.
my, no, no. Oh, sorry, my mic is on. Sorry, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So what you will do, so we calm down the customer. So whatever it is a client. For example, you are working in a HCL and your client is some ICICI bank. Okay, is not working properly, and you said like yeah we will going to do it, and you raise the ticket and forward it to the network support people, and they done or maybe not done properly. Again, you will get frustrated, right? It's not done properly. Maybe done again. It is there are getting an issues. So we'll calm down, we'll explain the scenario, what exactly happened, and what is the kind of stuff we can do it. Okay. So find out different answers from Google and how can we be able to do it. Okay. Friendly customer. Some people won't leave you. Okay. See, even myself, I
Uh,
went to, yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, I have one
Tell me.
question. We have to talk with clients or customer, so I'm confused between
Yeah,
this.
the wording is little different. Customer, generally we thought about a customer means if you are a person, I am using internet connection, I am become a think people like a customer, right? But in a words like you are dealing with another company. Okay, so you are from HCL, another organization is there. For example, um, 70s is an organization using a HCL service. For example, for HCL, 70s is a, we can call them as a customer or a client also. Okay, the wording is, so only the word is, we feel differently. Okay, so generally you are not talking to any public customers. Public customers means,
All right,
as I
sir.
said, no? Yeah, for example, I'm using ACT internet. So I'm a person, is a single person, I'm using ACT. And if I call to the ACT service center, so I'm also a customer, but I'm a public customer. So general one single person using a service. But maximum, as I know from the HCL, there is no public customer dealing. It is another organization, so they will provide us services, different types of services. Okay, so that organization people having an issues based on your service, so they will contact the service desk. Different media, not only a telephone. Okay, so there is a ticketing service, means, yeah, OS ticketing service now is there. Jira service ticketing software is there. Joho, BMC Helix. Okay, Fresh Works. Now earlier it is Fresh Services, now it is Fresh Works. Okay, different type of software. So they will approach the service desk. So we have to understand what is their issue. We have to interact with them, find out exactly what is an issue, and we will suggest some solution to them, or we will send a person to that premises to resolve the issues, or maybe we'll raise the ticket according to that issue related. Means it is higher than your level, so you have to raise your ticket to that specific department. Okay, so that's the point. It is thing. Okay, it's not about a public customer kind of stuff.
Also, sir, so can we get the access to this document, like
Yeah,
view access?
first of all, you will get to know about which customer it is. It means what client organization and who are the people is going to be tell you to the about reporting an issue kind of stuff. What kind of service we are providing. That entire information you will know about the customer. What kind of service you are providing, what kind of service related issues you will get it. Okay, so about a customer, whenever you receive information, you will get to know about this is the client and this is the kind of issues. Okay, till your project completed with that one, like a 6 months kind of stuff, you will be with that client only. So obviously you will know about what kind of service, what organization it is, the location of organization. Those things you will not. You don't know about their projects and internal issues. You don't know their internal kind of stuff. But what are the service you are providing, based on that, you will get to know. Compulsory. You don't know their contact details. Personal contact details, you don't know. Okay. That is strictly restricted. Okay. So another last, it's a part of that last question only. It is a friendly customer. Frustrated, angry customers are there, as well as a friendly. So always they'll try to contact and tell this is issue. They're trying to waste your time, or it's not waste your time. For small thing is also they're friendly. They'll talk and they'll tell. So this is an issue. It is okay to click here. It is going to do like this. Is it okay to do it? That people also there. Okay, that is also sometimes, for you also, for supporting, there is a building, but it's a dragging, like within a 3 months, 5 minutes, it should be completed. Not, it's a dragging, like a entire 1 or 2 hours you're spending with a customer, with a client call, with a simple task also, because of the customer is pulling that time period. So what you do, so you're spending more time. So that is also not good for an organization, right? So, so how you handle those kind of people also. We have seen those people generally in our families and friends also. Okay. These are some common questions they're being asking from so many batches also. So recent batches also they are getting that. So I'll keep always this document aside. Okay.
So can we get
Yeah.
so can we get access to this document?
Which document you're asking?
So the document on the screen.
Oh, this document you're asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, definitely. I will give you
All right.
that. So I will give it to you on this. Okay. Now you can access. Okay. So guys, one point I forget, that is, this is the document is like a daily notes type. So whatever I taught generally, so I will keep it in this document only. So every day simply open and you can read it. And if you want to download, also you can easily download as a PDF or a document also. Okay, you can easily see this is a one of our batch. Okay, so this is entirely my documents. Okay, it's very easy notes. So see, every day I share it. If you want, I can share everyday notes, but simply even after 2 days also, you can read it from starting. So you don't miss any particular point also. Okay. So yesterday notes, again, I have to search in a history. I have to go to WhatsApp. I have to search 2 days back notes. So don't require that one. Simply, you can open the link, open with this link. You can able to see everything. Okay. Anytime, anywhere, you can able to open if you have that link. Okay. Yeah. Technical, about the technical questions, guys. So we didn't discuss any technical part at right now. So always it is what about it? So like what is CPU, what is RAM, what is ROM, what is BIOS, what is hard disk, what is printer, what is router, what is switch, what is VPN, what is Outlook, what is cloud, what about a cloud? Okay, explain cloud process like that. So there is a what it is, what about it, so you have to explain. Next one is the differences. What is the difference between RAM and ROM? What is the difference between hub and switches? What is the difference between switch and router? What is the difference between LAN and WAN? What is the difference between OSA model and TCP IP model? What is the difference between Office 365 to Office 2019? What is the difference between VPN and internet? So anything. So there is a differences. If you know what is it, what it is, what is what, so then automatically you know the differences. The last one is about the troubleshooting. So if system is down, what you will do? If you power on your system, on the screen it is showing portable device not found, what you will do? Okay. If you are not getting internet, what you will do? If you forget your Wi-Fi password, what you will do? How to check you are getting internet or not? Okay. So if you are unable to connect to your remote server, what you will do? Okay. So if you are unable to send and receive a mail through Outlook, so what you will do? So it is, so troubleshooting related questions will be there. So every subject when you are reading, when it thinks it is. compulsory. So all the subjects, it's about what are we discuss, maximum questions from it only. But thing is, so even if it is out of that one also, we'll try to discuss, we'll keep adding those kind of stuff also. Recently, they started asking how to configure Wi-Fi router. So I will add those things also here. Okay. So anyway, so we're going to take a break. After the break, so first one is I'm going to tell you is one of the important thing is how to check your system configuration, different ways of checking system configuration, and how to tell that the answer for it. Okay. So this is your first part, first session, first part of your session. Take a break, guys, and come back at 11. 11:40. It's around 15 minutes. Okay. So people who are joined with the mobile phone, if in case there are disconnected, so be connected just before 11:40. Okay. Others, no need to disconnect. So just keep aside. Some people are joined.